everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today I want to switch my rhubarb that I put in a container, and I'll link that video, and I want to put it into this garden now that we have this garden. Let's talk about rhubarb. Rhubarb is a native to Siberia actually, and it's out of the buckwheat family, and it is a vegetable. However, in 1947, New York claimed it as a fruit because it's used for most things, desserts. But really, and I love rhubarb and strawberry pie. The crumbles are great, but we also use these for sauces for meats and fishes, a lot of Greek phyllo dishes with cheese. I mean, it's good. But let me show you how I'm going to plant it. Now, these are really heavy feeders. So I've kind of dug down here. It doesn't like, and I'm going to add some compost and just mix it. And now the crown right here, this is where you normally would divide it. Hopefully I don't hurt it. And if you do break some leaves, then it'll come back. And all I have to do is just plop this in. Let me get rid of some of this. Okay, backfill, and it's a perennial, so it will come back every year. Oh, let me put this root down. Now, these are really heavy feeders. It's just like asparagus. You could put manure on here every spring. If you don't have manure, I'm going to put just compost in about an inch, well, about 2 inches of compost, and water it in. Now, also, oh, look at all the worms here. Fertilization, synthetic, a slow release twice a year, spring and fall, around, do a 10-10-10, kind of an equal thing. But these are great. Now, let's have some fun facts. This is used in pies and a lot, even though it's a vegetable, it's used as a pies. And, but people don't worry about it, except for the sugar they put in there. Thanks to the catechins in rhubarb, you actually could lose weight because it increases your body. So, it's great. But this has been used for 5,000 years in China as an herb, not as food, as an herb. Back in the 1700s, Europe, I think the UK in particular, decided to use it as food. So what did they start with? Not the stalks, but the leaves. And then everybody kept getting diarrhea, their stomach hurts. Turns out these are poisonous because 2 chemicals in it. I mean, you could still eat them, but at limited portions. Then they realized that the main stalk, which is like a succulent, is used. So then they would chop that up and use it in all their dishes. Now remember, like mince pies, and remember, mince pies had a lot of meat in it. This wasn't like a total fruit, you know, for their things. But this is kind of fun to grow, and if you put them in, kids could watch it grow. So this will get humongous if you fertilize it. But this Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and I'll link that other video on when I potted it in a container because it's grown for 2 years now. Please thumbs up and subscribe and tell your friends. We're really trying to grow.